revealed to the jury.
This is an entrance gunshot wound.
Some of his family walking out of the courtroom before a forensic pathologist testified Tupac died from gunshot wounds to his chest and abdomen.
Do you have an opinion as to the manner of death?
Yes.
And what is that?
Homicide.
The night of the shooting, video from the MGM Grand showing Tupac leaving the venue after he and death row executive Suge Knight are seen beating up defendant Duane Davis's nephew, Orlando Anderson. Police say over a stolen necklace. Hours later, with Knight behind the wheel, Tupac is gunned down in what prosecutors call a retaliatory drive-by shooting.
Treat me as a hostile witness.
An associate of Suge Knight, James McDonald, who says he didn't want to be here, testified about gang retaliation culture.
I don't want to send him to prison.
Sure.
Even though we don't like each other.
He got killed. I didn't even hear those shots. I just seen the crowd run. I was like...
Audio from a 1997 police interview also played in court, revealing Duane Davis was in a car outside the Los Angeles party where Christopher Biggie Smalls Wallace was gunned down. Why the recording was introduced remains unclear. Defense attorney Michael Sant telling reporters his strategy is to paint Davis's statements, including his own memoir, where he admits to being involved in Tupac's death, as unreliable.
Yeah, you're essentially telling the jury that your client is a liar.
Yep, I am. Yes, that's true.
Retired homicide detective Brett Becker testifying virtually, describing the early difficulties interviewing Suge Knight, eventually speaking with him with his attorneys present.
His interview is very practiced, and he was very timid, and I thought he lied to us. He just didn't know anything.
To add to the suspense in this murder trial, 3 decades in the making, prosecutors will not give advance notice of who will testify each day. And the biggest name on the witness list is Suge Knight, again, the driver of the car when Tupac was shot multiple times. Knight has vowed not to cooperate, raising the question of whether prosecutors will try and force one of the case's most important surviving eyewitnesses to take the stand.
On my teens, a young G, getting paid off the dope fiends, fucking off cash that I made. Nigga, what's the sense?
Affirmative. Go subscribe on YouTube now, The Wild Hair Show.